All right, everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Teacher Kenneth, and I'm going to teach you some cool English sounds and tips and stuff like that. All right, so yeah, today's lesson is about sounds. Let me just make sure. There we go. Okay. So today's lesson is about sounds, and we're going to talk about, as you can see here, we're going to talk about the letter S and the sound that makes, the CH sound, W and V, H, and the last two are L and R. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with that. All right, so firstly, I want to talk about the S sound. All right, let's talk about the S sound. Okay, so the S sound, some people, especially in Thailand, right, you think the S sound is like sa, sa, but no, that's wrong. My put. So S is not sa like sanek, sawim, and sakul is wrong. Okay, the S sound should be like air in a tire on a bicycle, or a balloon or something. Okay, so the S sound for the word snake, right? Here you have the word snake. It sounds like this: snake, snake, snake. Okay. The next one is school. So say it slowly, puchacha. Okay. Practice the S. So your tongue goes to your teeth. Fan. School. School. Okay. So here we have the word school. And the last word is swim. Swim. So you want to go swimming in the swimming pool, right? You go swimming like this. Yeah. Swim. Swim. Okay? All right. So that's the letter S. So next, let's go with the CH sound. CH. Okay. I know for a lot of Thai people have trouble with the sound CH. You might say like SH, right? Like sh, but this is wrong, my put, okay? CH is like Jojan. Similar, not the same, but similar. So to make CH, you want to put your tongue on the back of your teeth, on the back of fan, okay? So like that. Not shh. ไม่ใช่ shh. No. Church. Okay, so let's talk about 3 words. I know everybody likes to eat this. Chicken. Okay? So this word is chicken. But you say it very smoothly. Chicken. chicken. Okay? The next word is everybody loves a nice child or children, right? So this word is child, right? Use your tongue. Child, child. Okay? And the last word, everybody, maybe not everybody, a lot of people, they like to chat. Chat. Chat means to, if you don't know, it means to talk or put. But sometimes you chat, you text message on the phone, right? Okay, let's go to the next one. And our next word, our next two sounds, we're going to talk about two, the W sound and V. Okay, so I'm going to write some words up here at the same time, and let's talk about them. So here, first, let me write the letter. Okay, so we have W and we have V. Okay? All right. So the first two words, let's talk about wife and van. I don't know why I picked these words. They're not related, but let's just talk about these two words because they're quite common in, I think, in Thailand. You have the van, rotu, rotu. Van is rotu, right? Wife. Okay, so wife. So the W sound is like wa, 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 and V is like this. You bite your lip. Van. You want to make like a bumblebee. Okay? Van. 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 And again, wife. Van. Okay? Next two words. Let's talk about. Let me write that again. Make it a little bit nicer with my mouse. So here we have the word with. Oh, I should talk about TH also. I'll remember TH. Okay, I'll talk about that in another video. So we have with and, ooh, I love this ice cream. It's delicious. Vanilla. Okay. So, again, W is wa. Wa. Let's do it slowly. Wa. Wa. With. With. Don't worry if you can't get the TH. It's okay. I know some Thai people say with, not with, but it's okay. We'll practice that later. This one is vanilla. So wa, va, with, vanilla, vanilla. Okay. All right. And the last two. Every room should have a nice window because you want to see the sunshine. I like Thailand because there's a lot of sunshine in Thailand. Where I'm from, we don't get much sunshine most of the year. So it's very nice in Thailand. So this word, we have two words again, window, window, and volcano, volcano, volcano. Volcano is like a mountain, Puchao, but it erupts with hot lava. Okay? All right, so those are the V sounds, V and W. Let's go to our next set of words with the letter H. H. So I'll just say the American version, American English, but the British English, it's a little bit different. So we have H and H. Okay, but in American English, it's like A plus CH. So if you want to pronounce H correctly, you need to pronounce CH correctly. But that's just the letter. So the words, it's different, right? It doesn't really matter. So let's talk about the actual words and how to say them. Okay, so the letter H. The letter H. Ooh, that's not good. Let me write that a little bit nicer. Oh, no. That's okay. That's all right. Okay, kind of looks like a ladder. All right, anyway. We have, let's talk about 3 words here. I'm going to capitalize them so it's easy to see. Okay, so everybody knows what this is, right? Horse. So H is like you're breathing out, right? Horse. Horse. Okay. Another word. In Thailand, I don't think this is very popular. Maybe some people play it. I have seen it actually, but I think they were foreigners. But you need ice. Or you can play in the street. Play street hockey. But yeah, this word is hockey. 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 You know, it's a sport. Not golf, but hockey. Oh, and then can you guess what the last word is? I think everybody wants one, right? Let me make one. Draw. Can you guess what I'm drawing? The word is. Does that look like yours? This is like the American version. Maybe you live in a nice expensive one. You get a chimney, something. Yeah, so here we have a house. Well, that's not that good. House. Okay. Ooh, that U is not very good. House. So we have horse, hockey, house. Okay? Good. And let's do one more. Don't have a lot of time. Let's make this L and R. And I'll go through these a little bit fast. Now. Okay. Let's do this. So we have, I'll talk about these letters here. We have L and R. And we might just do a couple letters here, okay? And we'll talk about the sound they make. So L, this is the difference, okay? L, you use your tongue. Oh, your tongue like this. Oh, la. So the word is let. Let. And this one is Put your mouth like this. Run. So you use your tongue, you have let, run. Let, run. Okay? And very quickly, 2 more words. We have the word lie. Lie. It's not good to lie. You should not lie, right? And the color Sidam or Sidang, Sidam, I get them mixed up. Lie and red. And we're going to cut it off here. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.